नमस्ते दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है अलाया और मैं आपकी इंग्लिश ट्यूटर हूँ इंग्लिश डायमंड इंस्टीट्यूट से। आज के इस वीडियो में हम NIOS बोर्ड क्लास 10वीं इंग्लिश एग्जाम के 20 सबसे ज़रूरी सवाल और उनके जवाब लेकर आए हैं। ये सवाल आपके एग्जाम में आने के बहुत चांस है, तो जल्दी से अपना पेन और नोटबुक ले लो। हर सवाल को ध्यान से सुनो, वीडियो पॉज करो और जवाब अपनी नोटबुक में लिख लो। अगर आपने सारे सवाल लिख लिए हैं, तो कमेंट बॉक्स में डन जरूर लिखना, ताकि हमें पता चले कि आपने पूरा वीडियो देखा है। और हाँ, ये वीडियो उन सभी स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है जो नायोस बोर्ड क्लास 10th कर रहे हैं, तो इसे शेयर करना ना भूलें। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Question 1. What is woven by the Indian weavers for a newborn child? Answer. Weavers weave a bright and gay robe for the newborn child at the break of dawn. The robe that they weave is as blue as the wing of a halcyon, which is a mythical bird. Question 2. What does the poet want us to do to water, air, and plants? Answer. The poet wants to tell us about saving water and plants for ourselves and for the future. Question 3. What message do we get at the end of the poem, 9 Gold Medals? Answer. 9 Gold Medals teaches us that sports isn't just about winning awards, but learning the values of participation, sharing, competing, and complementing each other. Question 4. Why does the poet desire to go to the innocence of childhood? Answer. The poet feels that childhood is full of innocence. A child is neither a hypocrite nor manipulative. He is free from all wrong habits found in adults. Question 5. Why is Kezia more attached to her grandmother, the little girl? Answer. Kezia was more attached to her grandmother because her parents spent less time with her. Hence, she was more attached to her grandmother than her mother. Question 6. Why did Dr. Kurian give up his government job? Cooperate and prosper. Answer. Dr. Kurian stayed back and quit his government job to start working with Tribhuvan Das Patil. This is how Amul Dairy was born in Gujarat. Question 7. Why did Shivaji return to Rajgarh disguised as a sadhu? Answer. Shivaji escaped from Aurangzeb's captivity and traveled from Agra in disguise as a sadhu to meet his mother and ensure his safety in his own kingdom. Question 8. How was Janaki Iyer different from other women of her age, caring for others? Answer. Janaki Iyer is a 70-year-old woman who teaches girls who are domestic helpers and cannot attend a formal school. Question 9. Why was Nikki upset with Valodia? Elder brother. Answer. Nikki was upset with Valodia's personality because he felt Valodia was superior to him in many ways. Question 10. How does recycling rubbish help the environment? Answer. Recycling helps protect the environment by reducing the amount of waste that gets deposited in landfills or incinerators, preventing harmful chemicals from reaching water systems. Question 11. Why did a big monkey get angry with a squirrel? Answer. The big monkey got angry because a small brown squirrel carrying pebbles suddenly came in his way, causing him to almost fall. Question 12. Why did a tragic incident take place at Sri Krishna High School in Kumbakonam? Answer. On July 16, 2004, a fire broke out at the school's thatched roof structure, causing many children to lose their lives. Question 13. Why was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel unhappy to see the condition of the poor farmers? Answer. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was worried about the condition of farmers in Gujarat, who were often harassed by middlemen. Question 14. How do you say that Ali Baksh, the maternal uncle of Bismillah Khan, was a great source of inspiration for him? Answer. Ali Baksh noticed Bismillah's interest in music and took him under his guidance. He started teaching him to play the Shehnai at Vishwanath temple. Question 15. Why did Raja's grandfather take him to the old man? Answer. Raja's grandfather took him to the old man after a bee sting, believing the old man knew the cure for a snake bite. Question 16. Describe the damages the poet mentions in the poem, The Truth. Answer. The poet explains that harsh words cause more damage than physical injury, leaving emotional scars that remain in the mind and heart. Question 17. What does the phrase, there will be no thrice, mean in the poem, Once Upon a Time? Answer. It means that people these days are insincere when they say phrases like feel at home or come again. These words are just formalities. Question 18. Why did the master have to sign an affidavit before he was allowed to enter the room? A tiger comes to town. Answer. The circus master had to sign a document stating that he would be responsible for his own death if the tiger attacked him. Question 19. How did the monkeys react when the squirrel said he is helping Rama build the bridge? How the squirrel got his stripes? Answer. The monkeys got angry, and one of them threw the squirrel away. Lord Rama caught the squirrel and praised him for his efforts. Question 20. Why does Dr. Kalam say India should stand up to the world? How can we do that? My vision for India. Answer. Dr. Kalam said that India must be strong both as a military and economic power to gain respect from the world. तो दोस्तों, ये थे NIOS क्लास 10वीं इंग्लिश के 20 सबसे ज़रूरी सवाल और उनके जवाब। अगर आपने पूरा वीडियो देखा है और नोट्स बना लिए हैं, तो कमेंट बॉक्स में डन ज़रूर लिखें। वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा हो तो लाइक करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। मैं हूँ अलाया, आपकी इंग्लिश ट्यूटर। फिर मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में एक नए टॉपिक के साथ। टिल देन, हैप्पी लर्निंग।